I want to talk to you about what I keep close by, and I keep it in here so I can reach it all the time. So this is my Ryobi quick air compressor, inflator, deflator. So if we got people spending the night in our camper that we got to hook up a air mattress or something in the tent, I'm gonna pull this out, and this is my go-to kind of for the air mattress or even tires. So I don't use this for my heavy duty trailer because it doesn't have that max PSI, but it does a car or anything else perfect, where you just hook this up, turn it on right here, and you set your PSI to whatever you want it. So if you want it at 30, you start, and it just pumps up and has an auto shut off. I love the auto shut off, so I just hook this up to the tires, or it has the the ball or the Schrader valve, or even a like a beach ball attachment here, which I've used quite a bit on the road. But again, this is my go-to air compressor. I just pull it out, slap the battery in, put on the amount of PSI, and walk away. Simple as that.